Facebook looks really good. I'm going to take some shares here of Facebook. Just a little fun with Facebook here, okay? MU's running too. You see it, Dan? Alright, it's just, I'm going to see if it breaks this 45, and I'm going to take some of this pot stock too. At 231, and I'm going to put my stop about $6-7 down and hang on to that puppy. So we got that, and I'm in Facebook. Guys, I'm just fast today because I want to make stupid money. So I'm in Facebook. I'm waiting for Amazon to pop the 1944 to add, but it's still a double bar on the 3. You see it? We got some Goldman Sachs movement, guys. I'm waiting for Amazon. It's got a doji sitting there, so I'm waiting for some movement on that. I'm just going to trade like I normally do, like you guys aren't even sitting here, because I can't really worry about everybody else right now. You guys know where your stops are. I'm in this pot stock, TLRY, and I think it's going to really move. So I'm already in it, and I'm okay with the volatility of $5.50 stop. It's already up, so I'm trading it today, and that's just the way life is. I'm in Facebook. I'm going to roll over to the 5-minute. Waiting for Amazon to pop here. Quite hasn't. It's just sitting right on the line. You got to be able to execute quickly. So if you're if you're like, I don't really know if I want to stay in this Facebook, guys, sell half. Just sell half. You know, it's easy. 16.10, sell half. You're in at 64.75. If you're getting nervous with this, just jump out of it. Make 50 cents. You know. Same with your MU. If you're like, I'm waiting for Amazon to move. I'm watching it. It's not moving yet. If you're in MU and you're nervous with this stock, just jump out. It's easy. You got in right there at the top of the gap. There's way too many to trade. If you're in this TLRY, just sell half. Simple. See this? We're in at $31. Is that 40? You made yourself $7. Just jump out. You guys got this? So you can just jump out right there. You made yourself $4. All right. What do you think I did in Facebook? How quick was that? If you're still in it, you're fine. Nice big gap up. Okay, it hit 1,000. So we knew we were going to have somewhat of a pullback. That's pretty close. That's 900. So Amazon's pulling back, just like we thought this thing would happen, because the tick hit 1,000, which usually we have a reversal, a small reversal, and then these stocks run. Look at Netflix, okay? And you look at Facebook, they're still running. So now we got Facebook or Netflix off the bottom here if you want to get it. Let's just wait a second, let this candle finish. Let's go to the 3-minute. Waiting for Amazon to reverse here. So we don't have a morning star here yet. This thing has to finish, and it could have ripped right back up here. Let's take a look. Still got the tick going down. Dan, you get any of that MU? You guys are quiet. Tell me somebody's making money somewhere. You can't lose today. Whatever stock you bought, huh? Yeah, I mean, every stock that you bought today, you made money, correct? I mean, you can't lose. Slide your stop up. Take half that candle up. Looks really good. What calls are we getting? What's the delta? Let's go 62. 1930. Let's just wait a second here. Let's just see when this tick starts going in our favor. We do have the Qs looking just like Amazon. You see the double bar here forming on the Qs. Let's just make sure this doesn't pull back on us. We'd be trading a double bar off the 3, okay? Not a bad deal, but let's just see if this really does reverse. This is not my pattern right here. Okay, I'm out of the TLRY right now. Guys, it's $7.50 profit. So if you're in it with me, great, just take your profit. Do you see what's forming on right there? It's an evening star. So I'm out. Facebook taking some more profit. MU taking some profit. I'm waiting for Amazon. I'm waiting for this tick to reverse. And I'm waiting for Amazon to form a bottom. But there will be an entry. It's just not for me right now. Okay? You could play with Tesla off the top there, but I'm not touching it. 304, blasting it. I know Dan's an MU. I can tell you, I can bet $1 million on it. Can't talk about it unless you're trading it. I'm still watching Amazon. I'm not going to miss it. There goes Tesla, straight up. Beautiful, beautiful chart there. That's off the high of the day play. You got Goldman Sachs running too. Pick your flavor, you know. These are high of the day plays. You got to give this $2.50 though, because this thing moves. About $2. Spread isn't too bad. It's 10 cents. It's not for me. If you guys are profitable, move to the 10-minute. Amazon's just sitting there, wants to explode. It's got almost a symmetrical on the 3. See this kind of a point? It's it's creating right here, see? So it could break. So we're gonna load up those calls. What did you say, 1937, is that what you said? Okay, 1930s. Get ready to buy some of those, okay? We're gonna do, all right, that's fine. Just do the mid, not right this second, but there's a doji sitting there and it's indecision. This thing could go either direction. It's sitting in the middle of this. It's probably gonna explode up. So get ready to buy some of these. Not yet. Let's see what this doji does, because what it says is we're getting ready to launch, okay? I'm not in yet. I'm just seeing how this whole volume thing works right here, see? Yeah, see, this thing's gonna explode. All right, I'm in. I'm in. Just tell me what your fill is. Fill it. Yeah, you're good. You're good. It's going to pop past this 1944 real fast, okay? You're good. You're good. Don't worry about the pivot. Don't worry about the ADXs. Don't worry about won't worry about pivots. Just worry about the 1950, okay? That's where it's going. Don't worry about nothing right now except this, baby. I'm just telling you right now it's going to 1950. That's where you're selling it. And Dow's up 215. That's pretty powerful. Got the SPY up. I got NASDAQ up. The NASDAQ's up 67. That's pretty powerful. You know? I was just watching these tick to see if we had any neutral formation on the pullback. And then it neutralized. It went sideways on the consolidation. So that told me we're right in consolidation with everything, you know? Just waiting for it to hit the 1950. I'll have half my orders sold in that situation, when it hits that, okay? And I'm not re-entering anything right now. I'm in it, and if you take the high of the day, that's fine. I got a sell order in for 10 contracts at 1950. So basically probably what, 26, you know? What do you got, 2350 right now? What's your ask at? Your ask on your option? Tell me what it is when it hits 1950. I sound a little confident, don't I? I think we're in a really good position. I think we're getting ready this candle's just going to smoke right out, personally. Okay, we're building a lot of energy right now, and this thing's going to just catapult. Okay. See, we got some good stuff going on. We just got caught into a consolidation into our trade. It never broke pre-market of the gap. We just were kind of caught in some chop, $3-4 chop, which is normal for Amazon. We're making a higher candle on the 10. We just need some volume, okay? And you look at the 78 squeeze and how it's the yellow's turning almost blue, you know? Sitting right there in that pivot of 1944, you know? It's just not moving. Nothing's moving. You know? All right, so I got an order placed for 10 calls to sell at 1950. It's about a $5.80 profit right there on those, and then I'll let the rest run. So we use the 8 as our guide on the green, and then there you go, guys. You know, you just gotta, sometimes, you know, we just explain what's going on. I can't control what happens, I just can explain what's happening, you know? So, you know, Dan had a great, that was nice for Dan to come in and talk about this, that Amazon's the most powerful stock in the world right now. It fluctuates between $3 and $5 in a consolidation. So, you got to be willing to let this move up and down in a consolidation. And, you know, some people just don't have that kind of stomach. They got their stops are too tight. They take the profit as quick as possible. This is the hardest stock you'll ever learn, but you'll get filthy rich off of it too, if you learn it. All right? And if you don't believe me, then I got 142 points in Amazon in 12 days. Okay? Is that enough? Is that enough? Okay. I mean, it's really, seriously, I'm just, yeah, you're never going to get anybody that cares about your money like I care about it. Because if I'm up 12,000, why I got a stomach ache? You know why I got a stomach ache? Because I'm worried about you guys. And that really is 100%. So reeled off some profit right there, just because why wouldn't you, right? You know, took some profit, let the rest run, and I'm going to manage that candle, half that candle on the 10 minute, and see where this goes, okay? You could get out right now and still be up, what, $3-4, correct? So you guys manage your trade. You know how I manage mine. And it's nice trading with you today. Breaking and past that 1950 here. So it's just one of those slow grinders today, you know. And if you get nervous, you sell half, let the rest run, correct? Where was my out? Green, right? Now watch when you go over to the 10. It didn't even pass the green, go down the green on the 3, did it? Do you see? Here's the 3. Did it ever go past the green on the 10, on the 3? All right, review for today. We took MU. We sent the first video out of the actual live trade, but I wanted to give some kind of explanation of how we trade these stocks. In the morning, we try to see what the pre-market looks like, and MU had some volume. Took the trade at 46.52 and let it gap up and run. Took some profit up in this area at 2,000 shares. So that was a quick 50 cents. So I made, what, $1,000 on MU. Review the next trade. These are just shares that we took. Facebook had some nice movement this morning. Let me get you over to the start of the day. You can see pre-market. It broke above its high pre-market. Took the order approximately right there with my with shares. If you move it to the 3-minute, you can see a little better entry. It doesn't change the lines, but it makes the candle look a lot more. I'll show you. So we got some movement here. Now we just took the profit, made around right around $1 with that, and Facebook made just shy, right around $1,800 at 2,000 shares. What you do is you show you how to, when you're in our room, we'll show you a little more about it, how to pick these stocks, how to find them, and then sometimes we use options. But here's a nice, you can see this nice pattern. We also took Amazon. We took it with some contracts. Strike price of 1930. Delta was right around 62 at the time. We let this set up. We're watching some of our what was going on with the market. We got in, there was kind of a double bottom. You'll see that we were in right above, right around 1942, 1941 we were in. Came back down, did a double bottom. It stayed within the actual consolidation. This ticker was still moving in an upward direction. And as you've seen in my video, I said I was going to hit the 1950. We hit the 1950. Actually, we hit a little higher. And that was a nice profit. Amazon moved about $7 to $8. The option moved about $4.20. So if we do the math real quick, I had 30 contracts. So 30 contracts in options with calls represents 3,000 shares. And so 3,000 times $4.25 is $12,600 just in that trade. So it was a great day. Hope to see you tomorrow.